Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about the string in Java. We are going to learn what is string, how we can create a string, and what is the syntax of the string in Java. So basically, in Java, string is an object. String is a collection of characters and words. A char array works as a string, but in Java, array are immutable. Means once array are created, then we are not able to change the array. But the string is immutable with the help of the class name is string buffer and string builder. So that's why we are using a string in Java in place of char array. Like if you want to add some words, or you want to make some sentences, so you have to use a data type name is string or string class in Java. Or whenever you want to use a single character like ABC, so then you can go with a char. Now we are going to see that how we can define and create a string in Java. So this is the syntax of creating a string in Java. So first we need to define the type. So type is a string, and then we need to define the object name or variable name, which is name. You can write it whatever you want, and then we need to define the char sequence like this. The one thing you have to remember that you need to put double quotes. Whatever you are going to write, you have to write inside of the double quotes. So double quotes is the identification of the string, or single quotes is the identification of char. So now it's time to see the small example of a string in Java. So here I create a string demo class. In that we need to create a string. For that, as we see in an index, like first we need to define the type, and then we need to define a variable, and then equal, and then we need to define a char sequence like hello world. So this is the way that we can create a string. There is a lot of many ways to create a string. Like we can use another class which is string buffer, string builder. We can see these classes in this course. Now it's time to print this string. So we need to print this variable name because this variable contains this value. So we need to print this variable. Whoa, I made a mistake. Like I forgot to put the semicolon. Okay, so see hello world. As I told you that if you want to assign some character, then we can go with this char data type. So we can assign a single character like C. So whenever we want to assign only single character, then we have to use this char type. Or whenever we want to use to assign some words or some sentences, then we have to use this string. And one thing you have to notice that in this string I use double quotes, or in the char I use single quotes. So that is the identification of the string and char. So that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to see about the string methods.